Open your kit and remove all components. You should have the following items: 1 shade, 3 suction cups, 4 poles, 4 T-screws, buckles, and Velcro cleanup tabs. Start by assembling your poles. Take 2 poles and attach a double buckle to the top of each, securing them with a T-screw. Repeat this step on the other 2 poles, this time attaching a single buckle to each one. Now attach the suction cups to your T-top. Place 1 suction cup in the center of the top. Place the remaining 2 suction cups on the left and right sides of the T-top. Next, install the poles. Insert the poles with single buckles into the rod holders closest to the helm on both sides. Insert the poles with double buckles into the forwardmost rod holders on each side. Adjust all poles to your desired height. Grab your shade. With the LaPorte logo facing downward, begin attaching the straps. Clip the blue strap to the center suction cup. Attach the adjacent straps next to the blue strap to the side suction cups. Connect the outermost straps on each end of the shade to the T-top framework. To tidy up excess webbing, roll it up and secure with the included Velcro tabs for a clean, polished look. Now, secure the corners of the shade to the corresponding poles using the attached buckles. Tighten all straps as needed. Need a little extra shade? Unbuckle the front corner of the shade from one pole and remove the pole. Stretch the shade forward and buckle it around the nearest cleat. For even more coverage or protection from rain, you can repeat this on the other side and lower the front edge of the shade to the cleats on both sides. LaPorte shades are made with a proprietary resilience fabric. It's water resistant, so rain will bead and roll right off when angled downwards. However, if the shade is flat during rainfall, water may pool. If this happens, gently push the water to the edge, it will run off and your shade will return to form.